everyone, welcome back to the TechLock YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLock, I will be showing you how to enable AMOLED dark mode in Discord. So for that, open the Discord application first. The AMOLED dark mode is a experimental AMOLED LED screen mode that actually makes use of the full proper dark black colors that are included in a lot of phone screen, so that your phone isn't like an off gray that glows even though it's supposed to be in upcoat dark mode. So for you to activate this, we just have to do few simple steps. The first thing is you need to find your user setting. Go to the profile on the bottom right. So once you're at the profile, you scroll down and there on the app setting, you need to go to the appearance tab. So in the appearance, if you scroll down, you will see the AMOLED dark mode option available right in there screen. This feature is experimental and incomplete. Things might break unexpectedly. Use at your own risk. So this is a experimental, so few things can go here and out. So for you to just enable the AMOLED dark mode, you just tap on the toggle, moving it to the right side. You can see the sudden change in the appearance, that is the theme for the Discord has been changed. This is a way how you can easily change the AMOLED dark mode. As you can see here, the appearance to turn to AMOLED dark mode is so easy. But this process is only possible if your Discord application is up to date to its latest version. Because if you are using the Discord of previous version, you will not see this option. For that, you need to do a different process. So update your application and use this feature. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLock YouTube channel. Thank you.